face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the.
Think of the theme, gritty in the city. So that's kind of the attitude that we want. We kind of want like that raw, rugged, gritty type of attitude. So just have that in mind as you're doing whatever it is you're doing, and just kind of move around. You're gonna hear that, so you're gonna know every time I take a shot. So when I take a shot, if you wanna just adjust, and it could even be basic, just hand movement, let anything just kind of like keep it flowing, so then that way it's not too static. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Yep, I love it. The colors are working perfect with that backdrop right there. Nice. I'm trying to feel the eye again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been out here all on my own, holding tight to the patch. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you. Afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't. Nice, I love it.
All I ever wanted. Never liked me when you sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me for they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, but your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. But the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus, barely keep composure. Hard when I've been coping with all the pressure that I fed. Make it hard to hold my head, make it hard to get to sleep. Like I'm slipping from the edge, struggling to get a breath. Right the wrongs with the lead. Life is not a guarantee. Just down by the clip. Self-prescribed a dealing mess. Now the way to flee the scene. I've been trying to get a grip onto something out of reach. Life is speeding to a peak. That's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running from myself. We all afraid to die alone. Scared that's all I ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed. Afraid we never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the eye.
Yeah, perfect. Nice.
I'm lost somewhere in my head. And now they're all on my own. I'm holding tight to the patch. I'm somewhere near the edge.
Stay there.
Of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without.
Yeah, we just find the shade. So let's just go underneath this tree right here, because it still gives the vibe, the neighborhood vibe. So I'm still with it. Plus, I mean, I don't know how it is here in Houston, but like back home, it's few and far in between seeing brick streets anymore. Yep, I like it. Perfect, yep. Coming a little tighter. Love it. I like that. Drop that chin just a little bit. Right there, perfect. Yep. Nice, perfect. Love it. So you hold that pose mid, can you swap that light over on the other side? Perfect. Nice. Yep, yep, I love you. Do that again and look out that way. Yep. Nice. Yep, love it, nice. So I want you to do that. I want to try to frame your face in between when you have your hands like that. So as you was getting ready, like you had it and then it moves. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Yep, yep, yep. And then mid, just bring that light around a little bit. Nope, the other way. Come towards me. Yep. See if that light is, yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Now hold that. I'm gonna get in tight here. Nice. Yep, hold that still. Just drop that chin for me a little bit. Perfect, beautiful. Don't get in real tight. So keep everything how you are. Bring your head, just bring it around this way a little bit. Yeah, right there. And then bring the chin down a little bit. Yeah, right there, perfect. And then eyes to me. Perfect, yep. And then bring that light around towards me a little bit. Yeah, bring that light around a little bit this way. Perfect. Beautiful, yep. And then just drop that chin for me just a little. Perfect, right there, perfect. Nice. Nice. Okay, so my last 10 shots, because I always like to put the pressure on models because it's fun. Last 10 shots, every time I shoot, you do something different. Doesn't matter what it is, so it could be serious, it could be playful, it could be fierce, it could be whatever you want. But the last 10 shots, every time you hear the shot go off, you do something different and I'm gonna get the shot. Like I said, don't overthink it, do whatever you want. If you wanna have fun, whatever, it all works. You can't do anything wrong, okay? Nice. Mid, back that light up just a little bit, yep. Perfect. Nice. Nice. Just tighten it in. I think that was 5 right there, I believe. I think so. That's 7, 3 more. You're doing great. Last one. Last one. No pressure. Yeah, come around on this side, mid. There it is. Woo!